And they've been getting a lot of snow up there the past few weeks, Dave.
They have indeed, yeah, and there's more on the way coming up. Actually, later this afternoon, the snow will start again in the mountains, and then for us, tomorrow out there right now. Look at the gray skies. We got clouds just locked in right over the Front Range and the eastern plains here on the Mousetrap camera. But if you look at the temperature, 64 degrees, so it looks cool out there, but it is a warm afternoon going on. 62 in Thornton right now, 60 in Parker, and 61 in Littleton. Then you get up in places like Frederick up here. It's kind of cold up there. You could really see it on the weather map here along the Poudre Valley and the South Platte Valley that runs through Greeley and Sterling up here. 30s and 40s still holding on up there. And then everybody else in the 60s. And can you believe it? Springfield and Trinidad already at 70 degrees down there. And then up into the mountains, 40s and 30s pushing all the way out into the western slope. And the reason is the wind. We got a little wind on the west side kicking up here. In fact, downtown, a 19-mile-per-hour gust going on right now. And those will get stronger throughout the afternoon. As we showed you at the top of the show, we got a high wind warning, and that extends all the way down into some of those southern mountains here. Till 8 p.m., some of those gusts in the Front Range foothills and the mountains could go up to 85 miles per hour, so we'll be watching for that. Also, fire danger is high from Pueblo, Walsenburg, Trinidad, and eastern Los Animas County. 45-mile-per-hour winds down there. That's what's boosting that temp down there, but about 10 to 15% relative humidity. Not a good situation. There's the high clouds increasing, and then by the end of the day, we start to see a little bit of snow already. In fact, right now, that's what we've got going on, is that moisture's moving in from Utah into Colorado. The business end of this is this cold front here and low over Portland. And look at this pipeline of moisture coming all the way out of the Pacific. That's going to slam into our mountains and really give them quite a bit in the way of snow on the western side of the state. There you see it tonight. Will be cloudy this evening. Tomorrow morning, clouds hanging around here. Look at the snow in the mountains really ramping up tomorrow morning into the afternoon. And then for us, at the end of the day, a little light rain and snow for the evening commute, a blast of snow tomorrow night, and then it moves out by Thursday morning. Now, advisories for you. We will see about a foot of snow in some of the mountains around Steamboat, all the way down through Aspen and Crested Butte, maybe 1 to 2 feet of snow in some of the San Juans, Uncompahgre Plateau, and the Grand Mesa as well. But before that happens, we're going to get warm today. 59 in Fort Collins, 66 in Parker, and 68 in Littleton. Ted Carlton in Steamboat is lagging behind right now. He's got 33. He should have a high about 41 degrees today, as those 40s will hit the mountains with the 60s and 70s here across the eastern plains. So 64 for us today with the wind, 50 tomorrow, late day rain and snow with the first alert weather day possible. And then on Thursday, 38 with early flurries coming your way. And as far as snowfall goes, I think we could see about 1 to 3 inches of snow here in the metro area. And then 40s Friday through the weekend. If you're going out on New Year's Eve, it'll probably dip down to about 22. Most of the big happenings downtown along the 16th Street Mall probably be in the 30s and upper 20s, so you will have to bundle up for that. And the first snow of the new year already showing up on Monday into Tuesday. Looks like a light snow right now, but man, oh man, the mountains you were talking about getting so much snow. I can't believe some of those San Juans might have close to 2 feet of snow by the time we're done with this one this week.
It's great for people out there skiing, though.
Oh, yeah.
It's a lot of snow.
It is indeed.
All right, thanks so much, Dave. Love it. Well, the holiday season, not quite